The head. In order to show the stitches more clearly, we'll use other colored yarn instead of volume of demonstration. Please refer to the stitches, ignoring the yarn's color. You should use the corresponding yarn in the kit, according to the instruction. Wrap the yarn around your finger. And then bring it up to index finger. Pinch the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger. Work into a magic ring. Make a loop around your middle finger. And pinch the crossover of the yarn with your thumb and middle finger. Insert hook into the loop on middle finger. Yarn under the hook and pull up loop. A magic ring is formed on the middle finger. In round 1, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 6 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Yarn over the hook, and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. That's a chain stitch. The chain stitch is straight the height and will not be counted into a number of stitches. Then work 6 single crochets. Insert hook into the magic ring. Yarn over the hook and pull up loop. Then yarn over the hook and pull through both loops. Such a V shape is formed on the side. Mark the first stitch of every round. Continue to work 5 more single crochets in the same way. Six V shapes on the side stand for 6 single crochets. We can count the V shapes to check the number of stitches. Pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. Remove the marker. And work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Insert the hook into the mark stitch. Yarn over the hook and pull up loop through the stitch. Then pull the first loop on the hook through the range loop on the hook. That's one snip stitch. The snip stitch serves as a second action. It's not counted into number of stitches. Round 1 is done. In round 2, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 6 increases. Finally, end with 1 snip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. First, work 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Mark the first single crochet. And work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. One increase is done. Continue to work 5 more increases in the same way. We need to work 2 single crochets in each stitch. Six increases are done. Remove the marker. And work 1 snip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 2 is done. In round 3, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work set off 1 single crochet, 1 increase for 6 times. Finally, end with 1 snip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. The first set. Work 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Mark the first single crochet. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. One single crochet and 1 increase are finished. There are 3 V shapes on the side. One set is done. The second set. Work 1 single crochet in the next stitch. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. The second set is done. Keep working for more sets. Work 1 single crochet and 1 increase as 1 set. Now we'll demonstrate how to hide the yarn tails inside the fabric. Once the crochet of the 5th set is done, place the yarn tail behind the fabric. Leave the joint and the back. Then work the second single crochet of the increase. Put the yarn tails above the hook during crocheting. The 5th set is done. The 6th set, work 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Six sets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 3 is done.